Okay, so here we are. We're gonna react to the whole NCT Dream album. There's gonna be either 5 parts to this or 2 parts to this. I don't know, but let's react. In 3, 2, 1. Got fire alarm here. I like the start of this, the chant. Go! Ooh! Very different beat. And there's the fire alarm. Yeah, that part's nice. NCT is like so good at rapping now. Like, oh my god. And Mark's like a whole different level. Like, they used to be like okay, but now they're actually so good at rapping. No, go! Oh yeah, engine. Lose it, lose it. Hey Chan, always bringing flavor. And Jisung's voice is so unique. Like, for real, for real. He's like a gem of a voice. Fire alarm, go! Wow, wow. Fire alarm, go! I have to say though, this is kind of just like a vibe song. Ooh, this could change it, this could change it. Ooh. I mean, there is a reason why this is a B-side and not a title side. Get down, alarm, go. Get low, get low, get low. We pull the fire alarm, go. Get down, get down, get down. Let's go to arcade. Alright, let's get into arcade. So, go, let's hope this is better. Oh yeah, I like the beginning so far. I like the beginning. Oh yeah, 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 see? See? Oh yeah, see that? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, arcade is perfect. Oh. Yeah. This is the song. This is a 10 out of 10 B-side. Wow. So good. Wow. They use so much pitch. Their voice. Hey! Mark is always good at rapping. And they all have their own styles now as well. I love that so much. Crazy. Not control. Full power up. I love the fact that it harmonizes as well. This is a well-produced song. Super well-produced. Wow. This is like the type of song that I wanna like produce. It's so good. Oh, hey Chan, bro. Hanchan and Chonle together. Wow. The ad-libs. Yeah, they put everything in this one. Ooh. Wow. Is that Hey Chan doing the high note? Woo! I just love that part all the time. The 808s, bro. They're always so good. That was 10 out of 10 for me. NCT Dream Arcade. Alright, to the next. Alrighty, we got Saturday Drip here, let's go. This is one of my most anticipated. Yeah, what's your day today? Because I love these type of songs, these hip hop types. Saturday Drip. Oh, yo, Mark's voice sounds so cool. Yeah, even Jamin. Their tones are so good. Oh, I love that robotic voice. They all have such good voices for rap. Wow, whoever produced this is so. They know the vibe. Bro, these guys are. It's obvious. I mean, I think this is the first album where NCT Dream gets a rap line. This is. Hold up. Whoa. Yeah, go Mark. Yeah. Bro, the beat crazy. The beat really is. Because they got the hi-hat. Their flows are so good to listen to. Oh, bro, that Saturday Drip sounds so good. This is my favorite. This is NCT style rap. No one can do this. Because it's produced in a certain way. Yeah. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Drip, drop, drip, drip, drop. Ooh. Bro, Mark's pronunciation, bro. Oh, I love that part. Wow. No, I'm not gonna lie here, like, literally, this is probably, like, either the best NCT rap song or one of the best. I mean, like, one of the top three, like, so, Mad Dog, I really like Mad Dog, and OK was also really good, like, super, super good. And this is another one that's just amazing because before, like NCT rap songs, they really weren't that nice to listen to for me because I used to listen to other people like YG artists and stuff like that, or like what is it, hip hop, other hip hop, and the rappers are so talented. Like they literally change flows like every second and stuff. So now that NCT, like they look like veterans in rap now. Like I also listen to like Stray Kids rap and BTS rap, so that I always thought that they were really really good. But now NCT Dream with this, yeah, they really brought it up to another, like a literally like a high ass level. Like this, you can't say they can't rap anymore. Like this is beyond can't rapping. This is like they're good at rap. They're not just only good at rapping. Like they have their own style now. Like you can't judge them anymore because they have their own style. So now for the last song, Never Goodbye. Let's go. Yeah. You know a good song when it starts. And Chanda is doing it so well. So beautiful, his voice. And the melody. It makes me feel so good. Yeah, Renjun next makes it. That was perfect. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be a bop. Yeah. Oh, I personally love that part. Wow, I love that as well. Wow, the vocal chops. Pitched vocals are always so good. I love pitched vocals. This is one of those songs that I'm gonna just stream a lot on from this album. Yeah. When Mark raps, it's always bouncy. I love bouncy flows. Jino's like more hard hitting, kind of like Taeyong. Mark's like really smooth. That part is just so good. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? Oh yeah, I love this part as well. Oh. Yeah. So beautiful. Wow. Wow, his lyrics. Look at that stuff. That was what I call a 10 out of 10.